Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy cabbage tomato curry. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh cabbage, ripe tomatoes, and a few common spices. We'll also use a small onion, a couple of garlic cloves, and a piece of ginger to build a flavorful base. This recipe is perfect for a quick and healthy meal. Now, let's get everything ready for cooking. Start by finely chopping your onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and the ginger. Next, wash and thinly slice your cabbage and dice the ripe tomatoes. Finally, measure out your spices like turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. It's time to cook. Heat a little oil in a pan and sauté the chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and ginger until they're fragrant and lightly golden. Then, add your diced tomatoes and spices, cooking until the mixture thickens slightly. Stir in the sliced cabbage and a half cup of water, then cover and let it simmer gently. Continue to simmer your curry until the cabbage is tender, but still retains a slight bite. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once cooked, remove from heat and stir in some fresh cilantro for a burst of flavor and vibrant color. Serve your warm, aromatic cabbage tomato curry with rice, naan, or your favorite flatbread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.